You probably saw in the news that Hertz Rent-A-Car is getting rid of their EVs. They're selling off thousands, tens of thousands of electric vehicles, mostly Teslas, because they found out it's not really cost effective to have these vehicles. It costs more on maintenance, repairs, collision damage is way higher. A lot of times these cars get totaled with just a minor accident. And more importantly, the people really don't want, customers are not going out of the way to rent an electric vehicle. And when they're given one even for free, not for free for no money, but no upgrade cost, they don't want it. They say, no, give me a gas car. Give me what I paid for. I don't want an electric vehicle. They used to try to present electric vehicle as an upgrade. You got to pay more money for it. Now they can't give them away. People don't want them at all. So Hertz is dumping them. What does that mean for you? If you're in the market for a used vehicle and you can accept an electric vehicle or have a lifestyle that it works, these electric vehicles are going to be very, very cheap very, very soon. In fact, they're talking about some electric vehicles in the used market being at $10,000. It's unheard of for any kind of vehicle. So keep an eye on the used car listings for electric vehicles to see if there's one that might suit you that's cheap, only if you can use it. If it's not going to work for Hertz, it might not work for you either. Just make sure it works for your lifestyle, maybe as a second vehicle.